Brand new BMW steering replaced, but the wheel feels heavy, there's a clicking noise, and the warning light is on. The reason? The new steering unit was never programmed for this vehicle. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to read the fault codes and code the EPS and E-Sys to fix this in about 20 seconds. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a real-world case, a 2013 BMW F32 420i that just had its EPS electromechanical power steering unit replaced. The new ECU was never programmed, known as not encoded, causing the vehicle to malfunction. Today, we'll walk through two steps. 1. Check fault in ISTA, plus 2. Perform EPS coding in E-Sys. Let's get started. This is the ISTA Plus screen connected to the vehicle. Looking at the control unit tree map, most modules are showing green normal. But notice the EPS module on the right side, it's showing in yellow. Yellow means this ECU has fault memory stored. Bottom left, fault memory 1414 fault codes across the vehicle. There it is, EPS is the source of the problem. Clicking on the EPS module to see the details, ECU info, address 30, variant EPS, 20, FlexRay data bus. But the most important thing here, the part number field, is empty. A properly coded ECU always has a part number. Empty part number equals this ECU. Has never been programmed for this vehicle. This is the clearest evidence. Going into fault memory to see the specifics. List of 14 faults, but we focus on the two EPS-related ones. Fault code 4823CB. No current coding data stored. The EPS has no coding data. Official confirmation. Fault code 4823. CC, PSC, control unit is not encoded for the vehicle. The steering system reports the ECU is not encoded for this vehicle. Both show existent equals yes. Conclusion, new uncoded ECU needs immediate attention. Okay, cause confirmed. New EPS, not coded, two clear fault codes. Next step, open E-Sys and perform the EPS coding. Let's see detail. This is E-Sys 3.34.0. The FA and SVT files are already loaded. That's the preparation step covered in a previous video. In the left SVT panel, scroll down to find EPS 30. E-Sys automatically detects the EPS needs coding and opens the CAF selection dialog. After confirming the CAF, EPS 30 is ready in the SVT panel. Looking at the coding section on the right, the code button is now active. Important, click on EPS 30 first to confirm selection. Then click the code button. Do not code the entire vehicle, only code the EPS module. Click Code. The coding process runs automatically. The green progress bar moves left to right. The entire process takes 15 to 20 seconds. Absolutely do not disconnect the ICOM during this if power drops or connection breaks. The ECU can be corrupted. Coding complete. Back to ISTA Plus to rescan the vehicle and confirm. Results? First EPS in the control unit tree has turned green normal. Second, both fault codes 4823CB and 4823CC have disappeared. Third, the part number in EPS info is now fully populated. The customer can pick up the vehicle. Steering operates normally, no more clicking, no more heavy wheel. Before we wrap up, 3 rules every technician must remember when replacing an EPS. 1. Always code immediately after installing a new ECU before returning the vehicle. 2. Do not clear fault codes before coding fault codes are the evidence needed to identify the problem. 3. Always back up FA, SVT, and coding data before any operation. The backup tutorial link is in the description. So, I've given you detailed instructions on how to encrypt EPS via E-Sys. In the video, I used a few tricks. I don't recommend following them if you don't fully understand coding. If this video helped a like, helps more technicians find this content, have questions about your specific case, leave a comment, I read all of them, subscribe for more BMW diagnostics and coding videos,